Hey, Sean.
Is it
Whenever- Huh? I got a story.
Please let him talk.
Shut up! Hush.
I went hunting this year, and I got this turkey, so it's been frozen ever since. And when I took it in, the guy told me it was pregnant. So I was like, what's that supposed to mean?
It's gonna make me cry while we tell the damn story.
It was pregnant.
I don't want to eat it now.
I do. I'm hungry.
He told me that he's going to leave what was in there in the turkey. So I baked it with the turkey. So if you look into the rear,
Oh, there's the legs coming out of
you
it.
see the baby
You're
turkey.
lying.
Look, you
That's
see
not
the baby.
nice.
It's got a baby turkey in there.
I don't want to eat it.
Roger, that's BS.
Okay, hey y'all. Where did turkeys come from?
Don't
Actually, where?
you idiots. They lay eggs. It's not a baby turkey. It's a little chicken.
Chicken in
We stuffed the Cornish hen inside of there.